Hello guys, let's talk today about this dual lens camera. So if you wanted to monitor something with dual lenses, this is the product, okay? So you can use on your farm, your home, your shop, things like that, because it has dual lenses so you can have a wide angle. So let me just open it up. So here we go, comes with this package. And here's the camera itself. It's pretty nice, okay? And here you can see the dual lenses, right? You have dual lenses here, an antenna. Let me just remove this plastic so you can see it better. Here we go. And dual lenses that are gonna give you the wide angle, 180 angle, probably. I'm gonna test the camera later, okay? But that's the idea. You can have the two lenses working together to build a single image, right? And here you have the LEDs, IR, and lights. Okay, you can turn on the lights and see in the dark. The antennas, so you can connect to your Wi-Fi. And down here, you have a connection for SD card. Okay, just open here and you can insert your SD card. And also here you have a speaker. Okay, so it's not that big, you see here. It's like the size of the palm of my hand. And here you have the connection, right? So you have the cable, and then you can use this connection here to power the camera with PoE. Of course, you just need to remove this one and connect your Ethernet cable here, your network cable, and you can power the camera. There's a LED to indicate that's working, and you can also use power supply, okay? Which, by the way, comes here in the package. Okay, so here you go, that's the power supply. So basically, you can connect here to your camera. That's the way you connect here and power your camera on. So if you don't have a PoE switch to power the camera directly, you can use this power supply. Pretty good. And what else I have here? So I have the quick start guide with all the information that you need to install your camera, and the app that you can use to watch your camera. So all the information here. Also some screws, anchors, and a tool so you can use to install your camera. And this is pretty nice. 24-hour video surveillance. Okay, so you have a sticker also that you can use with your camera. Okay,